What's up everyone, Jun with the Sushi Man, and in this video, I'll show you how to make one of my favorite super simple izakaya dishes, and that is shishito peppers. It's served a lot at izakayas because it's amazing drinking food, but you can make it as a regular side dish as well. And this recipe takes less than 10 minutes to make. Alright, now let's jump right in. But first, I just want to give a quick thanks to you. Whether you're new or returning to my channel, thank you for being here. Now, I want to ask you for a simple favor. If you're enjoying my content and you're finding it helpful, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really does make a difference and it allows me to continue making more creative, bigger, and better content. So again, I really appreciate you all being here. Okay, now onto our ingredients. First, we obviously need some shishito peppers. This is about 6 ounces. And these came from my garden, which are a little smaller than your typical store-bought ones, but they do taste much better. And then for the sauce, we're going to use 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and I like to use this pre-grated ginger that comes in this convenient tube, but you can of course grate fresh ginger as well. And then 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then a little bit of salt. And then a lemon and some of my special spicy mayo to serve it with on the side. And this shishito and spicy mayo combo is amazing, so don't skip out on it. You can watch this video over here to learn how to make it. Alright, now let's move on to our prep. First, we want to wash and dry the shishito peppers, which I've already done here. Next, let's mince our garlic. Okay, now we just add the sauce ingredients into a small bowl and mix it. Now we'll just cut a couple lemon wedges. Alright, now let's start cooking. First, let's heat up a large frying pan over medium-high heat. And you want this to get pretty hot, so leave it for a couple minutes or so. Now add in a little bit of oil. Wait for it to get nice and hot. And then we'll put the shishito in. And then we're going to let this sit here for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you don't want to move them around too much yet, because we're looking to get that nice char. Okay, once you start to see them browning, we're going to start flipping these over. And then we'll start giving them a nice shake to make sure it's cooked all over. Okay, now let's turn off the heat and we're going to wait for just a little bit, about 10 to 15 seconds or so. Okay, now let's add in our sauce and mix it all together, while making sure that the garlic doesn't burn. And then lastly, we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of salt. Alright, now we just transfer this onto a plate. And that is it. Simple as that. So easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. It's such a good appetizer that you can serve really quick while everyone waits for the main meal. But fair warning, it's gonna go by fast. Alright, now like all my Izakaya series videos, the drink pairing I would recommend with this is an ice cold Japanese lager, such as Asahi, Kirin, or Sapporo. Can't go wrong with any of those. It also pairs very nicely with some white wine, such as a light bodied Sauvignon Blanc or a refreshing Vino Verde. And of course, Japanese sake will be a good pairing as well. A regular junmai or tokubetsu junmai should complement the slight spiciness and savory flavors from the garlic and soy sauce. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful and feel free to leave me any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Kanpai! いただきます。美味しい。